Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. I'm here with Kelly Aiken. We just finished up his CX1300 package, drinking some Celsius, cooling off in South Florida. It's been hot. Doesn't matter. This thing is a beast. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh, Jude! What's up, Kelly?
What's up?
What are you doing here with your car?
So, well, the funny part is I chose not to do headers on it, and you know, I wanted to make over 1100 honestly the last time it was here, and do your CX1300R package, and it made like high 1000s, but I decided to do some headers on it, and hopefully we can get over 1100, and then I can get my serial number for the
awesome
CX1300R package.
Your number, serial number 2. What do you got in your hand there?
Dustin Whipple sent me an air filter to test out. So after we do the long tube header testing, this is a new race filter that they have. It's a high flow version. He claims 15 to 20 horsepower on 1000 plus horsepower combos, so we're going to test it out.
All right, awesome, cool. Well, we'll get it on the dyno. Even though Kelly was here before, we're going to go ahead and baseline it. It does have a different pulley on it now, right? Or no?
No, 3.0.
All right, we're back to the 3.0 pulley. We're going to do all the testing on the 3.0 pulley. Do you have another pulley with you?
I do.
Are we going to use it?
Yeah, I got an SPE28. It's that new groove design that
all right, so baseline with the 3.0,
yep.
Headers, re-dyno. So just tell us headers at the 3.0 level, then the 2.8, then the air filter.
Yes.
We got a lot of stuff for you guys. All right, let's get it on the dyno. Okay, so this is why you do a baseline. This is what the car made before, 1080, 793, okay? We were log and boost, it made 25.8 pounds. Now, it just made 1099 and 798, so the torque is similar, and it made 25 pounds. So what would have happened if we said, oh, we got a baseline 1080, put headers on, and even if they did nothing, we would have thought they picked up 20 horsepower. So, and we're not even doing the baseline the same day, we can't really do that, but it is with a different wheel. You had Nittos on your carbon wheels.
You told me that.
Yeah.
You were like, well, I don't care that you have carbon wheels. You told me it wasn't going to dyno as high because of those Nittos.
Yeah, because I have a feeling it's
soft.
I have a feeling it's more the tire that makes these dynos so good than the wheel. That just proved it because that did better.
Yeah.
That's probably the difference now. I'm not trying to say the car's making more power now, at all.
Well, it was on its first oil change.
Yeah, but I honestly.
I'm saying like some break-in stuff.
Maybe a little bit, but what's more realistic is that's only tire because tire is going to show up top. So you picked up 19 horsepower, but only 5 torque. So to me, it's
about 20 at the wheel.
The difference is the tire. So, anyway, cool. You got to be happy with that.
I'm really happy.
You're on target to make the power you're looking for. Between the pulley change, the headers, the race filter, we're gonna make a million horsepower.
I just want to make 1150. That's really, I mean, and that's kind of where you need to be.
Well, if we can't pick up 50 more horsepower with a pulley, air filter, and headers, we're in trouble. Well, I sure hope this video doesn't turn out bad. And now we said that. All right, cool. Let's get to work. Kelly, Martin, what do you guys think? What's it gonna do? So we're skewing the test a hair.
We did the 2-inch stainless works headers, the track exhaust, the lethal resonator X pipe delete.
All right, I gotta give my guess. I'm gonna say 1145. Did pick up a little bit more.
Yeah.
Keep everything nice and warm.
Over 20 at the wheels.
Yeah. Every little bit of power you can pick up at this point is a lot. So.
Yeah.
You think we're good? You want to go do the pulley next? All right. 2.8 pulley coming up. I think this is where the quarter blower really comes in.
I agree.
Yep. Yep. So let's try the filter.
This thing is rowdy.
So that's what you showed up with. And that's what you got.
Dude.
2 more pounds of boost.
Yep.
66 horsepower. 52 torque. And it's still going.
Look at that, it is actually. That's surprising.
Yeah, I mean peak power's at 80.
So it was the air filter.
Yeah.
That was the restricted. Because the one curve was flat. Now we got this going. I'm surprised, man, that it's actually. I mean, think about this, because we still have restrictions here. We've got stock exhaust, we've got the stock blower, it's not ported.
Right.
You know, so
Stock cat back.
132 throttle body. I mean,
well, I always ran the stock cat back on mine, and I made 1262.
Right.
So that's not ever gonna be a problem.
I'm just saying, like, sometimes you think you got to open all the stuff up a lot, which we did with the headers, but in the resonator.
I mean, dude, that's good. Like 66 horsepower. The way you're learning is already fast.
This header's in a pulley. I mean.
Yeah. All right.
So what is our conclusion? So we gained about 24 with the headers wheel.
Yeah. 24.
The weather is really shitty.
Yeah, the humidity is a lot higher today than when we baselined it a couple days ago, but you know we can't control the weather, so minimum 24. I think it's probably more than that. I think the same setup in like northern air could be close to 1200 horsepower.
Yeah.
I mean, there's 140 water drains in the air. If you're a drag racer, you know what that means. Super bad on a blower car especially, because there's nothing to make up for that. You can't up the boost. The pulley's the pulley, so not too bad. let's get it out on the street. All right, we're gonna take this thing for a quick spin. I wanted to talk about the 1300 package a little bit more with you guys. Obviously, you know, it includes the Whipple and our fuel system and all those sorts of things. But how does it perform? Well, it's based on my car, which has been 870s. Now, of course, it was lightened and all that stuff. What are your goals with the car, Kelly?
So the reason I did this package is because of your results, right? And I want to have an 8-second car that isn't really modded. I know that sounds kind of weird because you did a lot of work on it, but I wanted to have a car that, you know, it's quiet, right?
I mean, this thing's driving like smooth.
It's a
like,
stock car.
Yeah,
so I wanted, now,
right.
This is a car I can hop in, I can take my wife to lunch, it's quiet, we can have a conversation, drink our drinks, you know.
But you do race.
Exactly.
That's the important thing I want to point out, right? Like, yes. Obviously, I race my car. We've done a decent amount of 1300s already. Not everybody races them. They may race them on the street or play with them on the street or take them on road courses, but they may not drag race or anything like that. Kelly's going to drag race. Yep. Kelly does a lot of draggies. So Kelly's is probably going to be a really good example. Examples will be our premier performance 1300 package moving forward.
Yeah, so my goals are to, as you know, I like to draggy cars, not for bragging rights.
Hey, we got a spot right here. Let's hear it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, baby. That's a third. Oh, man.
Wow. Dude. That was nasty.
Yeah, it was.
Here, it's sunny right here. Let's see if it'll, from 60 and third. Oh, Jude!
What the hell? Did you check tire pressure? You check tire pressure?
18.
Dude, I can't believe it's spinning that much in third gear.
Wow.
I mean, you know, the road's not in perfect shape, but still. Yeah,
I've never had a car feel like that in third.
And we didn't turn on the
RPM?
track, right?
It's off.
Oh, okay, that's why it's doing that.
Yeah, but dude, that's insane. I'm gonna have to figure that one out, right?
Yeah.
And we're sure that road's dry?
You may have to switch to better suspension.
No.
I mean, dude, like third gear, man. Like,
wow.
You should be able to hook in that.
Here, this road. When we turn it around, let me try to time it on the concrete.
Yeah.
It drives really good. Oh, that hit 22 PSI. My bad.
Let me know you're gonna do that.
I thought you knew when I was creeping up on it.
No.
How much came out?
You only got on the leather, thankfully.
My bad. I mean, it's a Celsius car. Watch out. Yeah. I want to see your face. You were probably like, what the fuck's going on? It hit 22 pounds right when I hit it.
All right. But that's
lower gear.
Normal.
Yeah, you're right.
It's when you're trying. You were trying to kind of like.
We're about to rape it from second and see what happens.
Leave that. Yeah, in second especially.
Try it right now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let me go up a little higher. Oh, started to go sideways. I let out. I let out. I shifted and let out. Did you see that?
Yeah.
As soon as I feel something.
All right. Here's what we're gonna do. This thing is a little dangerous. I'm gonna try it one more time.
Holy shit! Oh, it's gonna start spinning.
Dude, it was still spinning.
Dude, it was like hazing the tires.
All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna call this good for the video before we kill ourselves. Keep an eye out on Facebook for Kelly's posts.
Wow.
If he sends us anything, we'll post it on our social media, maybe not YouTube, but Facebook, Instagram. Make sure you follow us. Please like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one.